Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. On last video, we mentioned how to read the clock time in Chinese. In this video, we are going to talk about how to say day of the week in Chinese. First of all, week in Chinese. 星期, 星期. This is a noun, time-related noun. When we pronounce 星期, our mouth should be wider, and lips should be flat and just behind our teeth. Our teeth naturally closed. Different days of week. We use 星期 with numbers. 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六, 星期天. Only one day of the whole week is different. 星期天. The last day, Sunday, we wouldn't say 星期七, we say 星期天. From Monday to Friday, 星期一到星期五, these 5 days, they are 工作日. 工作日. 星期六和星期天, they are 周末. 周末. Another 3 related vocabularies. 昨天, 今天, 明天. Let's see some dialogues. 今天星期几? 今天星期天. 昨天星期几? 昨天星期六. 明天星期几? 明天星期五. Okay, this is all of today's content. In next video, we are going to talk about how to say date, month, and the date. Okay, I will see you in next video soon.